Hey everyone, good evening. Welcome to your very own favorite channel. So I hope that you all know what today's session is about. Yes, of course, today we are going to have a mentee quiz and it's on the chapter whole numbers. So how are you all doing? Are you all prepared for it? Yes? As I always ask you, did you prepare for this session, for this quiz before coming for the class? Who all we have here, by the way? Good afternoon, Aisha. Ishu, yes, Kritika, I am here. Nerav is here. Tejas. Yes, Gurleen. Hi, Dhruvi. Prachi. Yes, fully prepared. Wow. I like such things when students are actually preparing for it. That's very nice. Revise the whole chapter, Sir COVID Raj. That's great. Hi, Aryan. Hi, Arshita. Dia. Yes. I remember. Right. All right. So, I hope you all are pretty excited for the session. Yes, Rakesh. Absolutely. I do remember. Hi, Somveer. Shrishti, hey. Audible and visible, great. Hi Chetan, hi Gurleen, Rais, Ahmad. Okay, meanwhile we are talking. Let's quickly join Menti first. I hope that you all know the drill. All we have to do is go to menti.com. There it will ask you for a code. You just have to put this code which is there on the slide. 88545048. Quickly join it and let me know that you have joined. Yes, till the time you're joining, we can talk. Yes, hi Kritika. Hey Navya. Oh, today is Srishti's birthday. Happy birthday, Srishti. I wish you have a great year ahead. It's your birthday and still you have joined the class. That's awesome. All right, Srishti. Hi Dhruv. Nabil, Ashar has joined. Harshita has joined. Tomorrow is the math exam. Hope you are well prepared for it, Chetan. Yes? All the very best for your paper. Math is the favorite subject. Wow, Aisha. This is one comment which I hear very less. And I feel very glad when I hear such kind of things from my students. Your birthday was yesterday. Belated happy birthday, Gurleen. We've got so many birthdays in July. Wow, playing with numbers achievement, 15 on 15, that's great. All right, so I think most of the students have joined. Quickly let me know in the chat if you have. Yes, Tejas, that's very simple. Just go to menti.com. You have to put this code which you can see on the screen, 88545048. Wow, Aisha, awesome, 20 on 20. Math exam is going to come up soon. Yeah, math and physics are there's some or the other way they're related to each other. So generally students who like physics, they like math also. Students who are and vice versa. All right. So meanwhile we are joining, let me just tell you, the people who have joined, after that it will redirect you to a page wherein you have to fill in all your details. Details as in it will ask you for your name, your grade, your area pin code, yes, and your, all the details you have to fill in there quickly. Favorite subject, math. Wow, awesome. That's so nice. Failed quickly. See, you have to be really quick because once I move to the next slide, you won't be able to fill in the details. Quickly first fill in the details and let me know so that I can move ahead. That's good. The students who are regularly coming from the class for the classes, obviously, they would be able to fill up very quickly because you get used to it every day when you're doing the same thing. Done. Aditya done. Raj done. Gurleen done. Great. Quickly, Diya, fill it. Yes. Aditya, done with it. Dhruv, Aryan. I'm just going to wait another 10-15 seconds on this slide. Yes, Anshi, Chetan, Sunidhi, filled. Anshi. Suman is done. Diya done. Abhishek, Chabra, yes. It's okay, Shrishti. Okay, now you're joining with your own account. Rais done. Ashu Raj done. I think almost everybody is done with it. Yes. Be quick because once I move ahead, you won't be able to fill in the details then. And I don't want you to miss on the goodies part actually. Habibu, yes, Prabodha. I think mostly students are done with it. So let's quickly move ahead. But before I start with the quiz, I know that you're pretty excited for the quiz. Let me just give you an important update. So students who are regularly coming for the classes, they might be aware of it. Yes, it is regarding the BYJU'S classes 2 teacher advantage. You know that earlier we were giving you 3 sessions absolutely free of cost by using the code YT free, but that offer has ended now. It's over now. But now we are giving you 3 sessions for rupees 399. And so many benefits. Again, you have there. 2 teacher advantage. As I said, it's there. 1 teacher is going to teach you. Another one is going to clear your doubts. So yes, of course, doubt clarification sessions are there. One-on-one guidance from the personal mentor is there. And for evaluation as well, repeatedly mock tests would also be taken. Right? Yes, you're right. It has expired. I hope everybody has taken the advantage of that. Everybody has registered for it. Did you all register for that? Yes? And another thing, which is again a benefit here, you can choose the class timing still as per your convenience and for whatever subject you want to take the class for. So 3 sessions only for 399, which is not much, right? So quickly check that out if you haven't yet. Link is given in the description. After this session, you can go check that out. Yes, absolutely, Gurleen. All right, for now, let's move ahead and I hope everybody has joined the Telegram channel. So many benefits we have here as well. We give some interesting revision questions, session PDFs as well. Whatever sessions we are doing here, you will get the session PDFs over the Telegram. Yes, students who have joined it, they must be getting it. In the pin code section, you have to mention your area pin code. If you're not aware of your area pin code, you can check your school identity card. It would be there. Or still, if you can't find it, you can ask your parents and fill in there. Code, Menti code you're asking. Yes, it's there on the top of the screen. I hope that's visible. 88545048. Quickly join it. Telegram is not opening. That should not happen. They are tried after the class. It should work. Link is there in the description. So many things we have here like Sunday Funday facts, homework questions, quizzes, and of course session updates as well. August 24. Still almost 1.5 months to go, Sir COVID. Yes, Raj? All right. So link for this as well is also in the description. Please do join it if you haven't yet. Don't worry about these details. Kritika, just fill in your accurate details, right? Because just like you order something, yes, you order something. When you order something from any online portal, you fill in all the details, right? Otherwise, how will that product will be delivered to your place? Same ways. Because as we said that the winners are going to get the BYJU'S goodies. So for all that, this information is needed. So don't worry about that. All right, for now, let's not waste any more time here. Let's get started. In today's Menti, we are going to have 10 questions. Yes. And I hope that you all are well prepared for it. So I'm assuming that this is going to be pretty exciting Menti. Yes. Let's get started. All right. Very cute icons I can see over here. Let's start with the question number 1. Yes, even I can't wait. When we add any 2 natural numbers, the answer is always a whole number, negative natural number, 0 or natural number. Pretty simple question. And I tell you one thing. Generally, when we come across these simple ones, we get so overconfident. We feel like, oh, I know it. We don't even bother to read the question carefully. Read the question carefully and then answer it because you have got ample time to answer this. No need to hurry. No need to rush. Ghost, flower, yes. Romaisa, same for the foreign students also. Just fill in your accurate details, whatever it is. Why, Raj? Why is it so? Miss Click, see, that's what I told you. You got ample time. Why were you in a hurry? It was a very simple question. And trust me, this is kind of a conceptual question. So when you come across such questions, pick up examples first. And then see what the right answer is. Wow, 1.1 seconds. Please don't give answers in chat. I want this to be a fair quiz. You can only let me know that, ma'am, yes, we are done and whatever time you took. I can see, yes. So many students have given the right answer, but why are we thinking that it's a whole number? It could be a negative natural number. Yes. Why were you confused, Trishti? What happened? No, Astha. Not any random pin code. You have to fill in your area pin code, right? Your exact area pin code. Reason being, see, it is for I told you, for the winners who are going to get the BYJU'S goodies, right? How will it be because we will require your exact details for that. Don't just put in any random details. You can check with your parents, you can check on your identity card. So if I add up any two natural numbers, we know that natural numbers start from 1, right? It starts from 1, goes up to infinity. So if you pick up any two natural numbers, let's say 5 and 7, if I add them up, answer will always be a natural number, right? Yes, right, Raiz. It's a very, very simple question. All right, all right. Astha, check. You must have your school identity card, right? It will be mentioned there. Please check on that. Question number 2. Quickly, let's take a look. If I want to reach number 7 on the number line from the number 1, then how many steps do I need to move considering 1 unit as 1 step? Well, this seems like a pretty tricky one, right? Please read the question carefully. Okay, let me give you a hint. In such kind of questions, what we should do is draw a rough number line and then do it. Oh, you all answered so quickly. I can see that a lot many students have given the right answer. That's so nice. And the ones who still have confusions, quickly take a look. If I talk about a number line, I start from 1. Question says you have to reach number 7. What is the difference between number 1 and number 7? It's basically 6 units, right? So it will take 6 steps to reach number 7 from number 1. Answer is 6. That's simple. Wow, Raj. 2 on 2 till now. Great. Kritika, easy one. They are just 1 second. Wow. Awesome. Let's move ahead. I'm so glad that you all are giving, maximum students are giving right answers today. Question number 3. Let's quickly take a look. What is the additive identity of 24? I hope you all are well aware of the properties. See, properties part is very important. Whether it's grade 6, it's 7th, it's 8th, because I tell you these properties will be used in fact in the higher grades as well. Their usage doesn't end here. Simple one. No answers in the chat, Gurleen. You can just let me know that you are done and you can mention the time that you took. Oh, Anahita. That's okay. Dhruvi, just give your best. You can be one of them. Rajkishore Yadav is done. Shrishti is done. 1.483 seconds. Wow. Anshi is done. Yajnesh is done. Yes, Rajkishore is done. Huckster, Prabodha, Vipin. I can see some new names today here. Okay, time is up. Oh. What happened this time? Yeah? What is the additive identity of 24? Yes? So what is the additive identity? What does that mean? An element which when added to a given element leaves the given element unchanged. That's what additive identity is, right? That means, let's suppose, if when I talk about 24, what shall I add to 24 so that I get 24 again? Obviously, you would say 0. So 0 is the additive identity. 0 is the additive identity for real numbers. I think you could not understand the question. Was that the case? Yes? Quickly tell me, what was the reason? Astha is saying misclick. Oh, Prakash, additive inverse. This also happens a lot many times. Diya, misclick. Tejas. Yes, right? Yashvi. Tejas is also saying right. Huckster, it's okay. Gradually, because I think first time you're attending the classes, first time I'm seeing your name over here. So if you're coming for the classes, if you start coming for the classes regularly, gradually you will see a change. You will see an improvement. Yes? See, change doesn't happen in one day. It takes time, right? Oh, additive inverse. It happens. That's why I was telling you. Read the question carefully. It was a very simple question and property based. All right. Let's move ahead now. Time to show you the leaderboard. Okay, what do you think? Who is going to be at the top this time? Yes. All right, so Abhishek Chabra is the fastest, and he's the one who has given maximum right answers as well. Wow, Abhishek, good job. Then Lavisha, Paulina, Afra, Ankit, Elsa, Yuvraj, Manas, Dhruvi, and Earthman. I would request you if you could write your actual name so that I should also know that who actually are giving the right answers and who actually are there on the leaderboard. And it's okay, even the people who are not there on the leaderboard, see, rank doesn't matter. What matters is how much we have understood the concepts well, right? What matters is here we have come to check, to evaluate ourselves, to test ourselves, right? It is okay to make mistakes here. Yajnesh, that's you. Okay, all right. It's okay, Srishti. Gradually, I'm sure that the rank is going to get better. That's what we see generally in the quizzes, right? It's okay, Pavani. All right, let's move ahead. Let's quickly take a look at question number 4 now. So, which is the whole number that does not have a whole number predecessor? Please read the question carefully. These are conceptual questions. We are talking about a whole number, that whole number out of these options over here, which will not have a whole number predecessor. I hope you're aware of this term predecessor. You know what does that mean. Oh, done. I can see over here. Oh, again misclicked. Yajnesh. Yes, Abhishek. That's good. Okay, so everybody seems like it's done with it. Let's take a... Wow. That's amazing. So many students have given the right answer for this. And seriously, I want that in today's quiz, in all we have got 10 questions, we are done with 4. At least in one question, is it possible that we all can give the right answer? All of us can give the right answer. Let's give it a try today. All right, so for this one first, let's take a look. That whole number which does not have a whole number predecessor. If I talk about 0, that's the first whole number. So definitely if I talk about this predecessor is the number that comes right before that. So it will not have a whole number predecessor because that's going to be -1, and -1 is not a whole number, that's an integer. So option C is the right one. Correct? So let's give it a try. For the next question, let's see if we all can give the right answer. Alright, so 6 times 7 times 3 is equal to 6 times 7 times 3 is an example of which property with respect to multiplication? Is it associative, closure, commutative, distributive? If you are aware of the properties well, I'm sure that you all can give the right answer for this. It's not like that, Prabodha. The results are going to be cumulative. For the entire unit test league is still going on, right? Once it gets over, then we will reveal that. Done. Yes. So many students are saying they're done with it. Okay, let's quickly take a look. This time I'm expecting that you all would give the right answer. It's a very simple question. Oh. Correct answer is associative property. Yes. But still some are saying closure, commutative, distributive. Please go through the properties again if you still have confusions. This is an example for associative property of multiplication because it states that when we are multiplying 3 or more real numbers, doesn't matter how we have grouped them, the result is still going to be the same. Whether it's A times B times C or A times B times C. Yes? Yes, you become math expert actually. It's okay, Raj. It's fine. Just admit that I am wrong here. I'm making mistakes at this topic, so I have to revise it, right? I have to work on that. Yes, Himanshi? Yes, Rumaisa, absolutely. All right, that's okay. You can... So just note down this thing. Each one of you, whomsoever is giving wrong answers for the properties, that you have to revise this topic. See, recorded videos are there. You can go and check them out and get all your doubts clarified. So quickly take a look at the leaderboard. What do you think? Who is going to be at the top this time? Yes, Vipin. Showing that only. Yes. Oh, it's okay, Srishti. Don't worry about that. So fastest, if I talk about, that is Shaurya. But Abhishek Chabra is the one who's giving maximum right answers. Wow. Awesome. Then Paulina, Dhruvi, Anushka, Apsara, Shaurya, Lavisha, Tavisha, Anahita and Astha. Wow. Great. Awesome, everyone. You're doing a really good job. So let's move ahead. Let's quickly take a look at question number 6 now. Tavisha. Okay, you are Tavisha. Find the product 98 plus 14 into 0. Come on, iska to right answer de do sabhi. This is a very simple one. This time I want to see a single bar where everybody has given the right answer. Please, no misclicks this time. Yes, done. Anahita, done. Dhruv, done. Shreyasi, done. Rais, done. Anshi. It's okay, Yajnesh. Doesn't matter. It keeps changing, right? Almost everybody seems like it's done. Nabil is done. Yashvi, Kritika, Tejas, Sunidhi, Tavishi, Rakesh, misclick. Yes, Kushagar, indeed it is easy. Time is up, but still this time, lot many are saying it's right. It's 0. I mean, 0 is the right answer. And I don't know how come you could give wrong answer for this. It's a very simple thing. Whatever you multiply with 0, what will you get at the end? It's going to be 0 only. How could it be 112 or any other number? Right? It was a very simple question. Whatever you multiply with 0, whatever it is, doesn't matter what the number is. It's going to be 0. Alright, let's move ahead. That was actually a very simple one. Yes, these laughing emojis bante hain abhi, is question pe. The predecessor of any number can be obtained by dash 1 from it. Adding, multiplying, dividing, subtracting. Come on, this is also a simple one. Correct, Shreyasi. That's what. Whatever you multiply, doesn't matter. Yes, quickly. No answers, Rais. Don't give answers in the chat, Somveer. Only let me know that you are done. Yes, it seems like the KBC is going on, right? Quickly, everyone. Dan, Sunidhi, Rajkishore, yes. Yashvi, Lavisha, Kritika. Tejas, done. Whole numbers is indeed a very simple chapter, very simple topic. But still, when it comes to properties, we still end up making some errors over there. I think properties is the only part which is a little trickier one. I would not say trickier one, but yes, it still requires a little bit of practice. Time is up. Oh, still we are getting so many right answers here. Yes, subtracting. Because predecessor is the number that comes immediate before that number, right? So it will only be possible if we subtract 1 from that number. Correct. Option D, absolutely. Let's move ahead. Let's quickly take a look at question number 8. It's Kaun Bane Crorepati Junior. Find the resultant when 20 divided by 0 is equal to. This time I still feel that you all might not be able to give the right answer. Yes. What do you think? 20 divided by 0 is going to be equals to... Kaun banega UPL winner? Ideally, yes. This should be the title actually. Kaun banega mentipati? Now we all are going to get creative in this. Yes, quickly. Answers I can see over here. Done with it. Let me see how many of you can give the right answer for this, because this is actually a difficult one. I mean, according to grade 6, yes. You might give right or wrong. Rais, don't give answers in the chat, please. Easiest. Agash is saying this is the easiest one. Yes, time changes. Yes, it doesn't remain same always. 8% battery left. And we have got only 2 questions left. Don't worry. So, time is up. See, I told you. This was actually a confusing one. So, 20 divided by 0 is going to be undefined. The value of any whole number divided by 0 cannot be determined. Any number divided by 0 is always undefined. You cannot determine the value. So, answer is undefined. Yes? Please remember these small things, because later in the years also, like in your higher grades, like once you move ahead to your higher grades, these small properties are used a lot. Yes? So, please jot down these small things somewhere. This is what I always ask you, because in maths we don't have that theory, but you can jot down these small things at least. Okay, let's check again. Abhishek Chhabra is the fastest one. He's at the top. Abhishek, wow, you are actually able to maintain your position at the top. Then Paulina is there, Lavisha, Astha, Ankit, Afra, Kritika, Haifa, Soumya and Dhruvi. Wow, awesome. Kritika, yes, you are all also on the leaderboard, and I can see Haifa is also there on the, like, some new names are also here now this time. And some people are still able to maintain their positions like Paulina, Lavisha and Astha. That's great. Awesome. It's okay even if you're not on the leaderboard. Rajkishore, don't feel bad. Yes, hey Ritika. It's okay, Srishti. Alright, let's move ahead. Let's quickly take a look at question number 9 now. Yes, Akash, I know that you have joined late. It's fine. So, value of 64 times 50 is. Quickly answer this. What is 64 times 50 going to be? 3200, 320, 2000, 2200. Although it looks like a simple multiplication, but do we have to do a simple multiplication over here, or are we using any property, or what is it? It's okay, Rais. All right, quickly everybody. Done. Shreyasi is done. Rajkishore is done. Abhishek, Shrishti, Diya, Prabodha, Asa. Oh, misclick. Done, done, done. I can see a lot many people are done. Not a difficult question. Though the answer, I mean, for this question, obviously everybody would give the right answer. The only thing is the way you have solved this question, right? See, it's an MCQ here, but had the same question would have asked in a subjective paper, but still, how could you give a wrong answer for this question? तो बहुत simple था. Normal, सबसे पूछा है 64 times 50 is going to be what? So 64 times 50, answer will obviously it will be same. It's just that we are using a simplification. I mean a property over here. What we are doing is simply we are multiplying the numerator and denominator. I mean, I'm multiplying the numerator by 2, so I will divide by 2 as well, right? Because we apply the same operation with the same number. So we get 64 times 100 by 2, that's 3200. Was that difficult? Yeah? Even if you do normal multiplication, 64 times 50, still you would get 3200. How can anybody give wrong answer for this? Yes, 2 students have birthday today. I think every day, as far as I remember, every day we have got some people who have their birthdays. Seems like in this month, I mean in July, there were so many birthdays we have. Yes. Any doubts in this question? This was a very simple one. Yes, Navya, misclick. Come on, even if you don't use the property here, how could you give the wrong answer for this? A pretty simple one. Yeah, right? Yours is on August 15. All right, let's move ahead. Let's quickly take a look at question number 10 now. Astha is saying, ma'am, please last question. 7% is left. Okay. Which property is represented by A plus B equal to C? A, B, C are all whole numbers with respect to addition. You have to name the property. Please be careful. Properties are not difficult at all. I'm just giving you a hint so that it will be easier for you to solve it. You'll be able to recall it. All A, B, and C are whole numbers over here. Only whole numbers, they start from 0 and extend up to infinity. We have to mention the property that we are using here with respect to addition. A, B and C are different whole numbers. Pick up different numbers. Trust me, by picking examples, you'll be able to understand this better. You will be able to relate this better. Ritika also has his birthday today. Happy birthday, Ritika. Done, 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 done. Wow. It's okay, Srishti. Some people are doing mental math. Astha in so much hurry, huh? 24th. All right. Another 30 seconds to go. You've got ample time to answer this. So right answer is closure property. I can see you have got so much confusion. What does this property tells us? Let's suppose x and y are whole numbers. So answer of x plus y will also be a whole number. Like here a plus b equal to c. A, b and c are whole numbers. A, b and c, all three of them. If I add a and b, I mean two whole numbers, the answer will still be a whole number. That's a closure property. Right? Prelims, Dhruv. So this was a simple one. But from this entire quiz, now this is something serious, okay? From this entire quiz, what I could understand is that we all are facing difficulties with the properties. Let me tell you one thing, if you have your test also coming up, properties is the most important part. Not only for test, even for the, as I said that, in the upcoming years, right, whether it's grade 7, grade 8, 9th or 10th, 11th, properties are used at a lot many places. Please practice it. If you have any confusions, please go through the sessions that you've already done. Go watch them, increase the speed, right? And jot down important things. Practice a lot of questions on the properties. Right? Whomsoever has difficulty, please see, whenever you're coming for the math class, for the math quiz, so after every class, like, obviously, I'll be able to judge this way that where are we facing difficulty? Yes, I know, identity and verse. This also people mentioned that. Some people got confused here. So in all, what I have understood is it's the properties part where we are getting confused. Please go through that one more time. Who all are going to rewatch the sessions that we have done? I know that it will be a little time consuming for you. Obviously, again, you have to rewatch those sessions. What you can do is increase the speed and then watch it. right? Get all your doubts clarified first. Hey Palak, okay, now you have joined. It's okay. I'm doing good. Thank you. Yes, that's good, Yashvi. Shreyasi is going to watch it. That's good. Please get all your doubts clarified first. We need to have a proper understanding on these concepts. 5 on 5. That's great. You attempted 5 questions. That's good. Whatever you have attempted, at least you answered all of them correctly. Right, Raj? Yes. All right, all right. So we are done with all the 10 questions that we had in our quiz. All right, so let's take a look at the last leaderboard we have. No next question. We are done with 10 questions, Kritika. So now, this time, again, Abhishek Chabda is the winner. Wow, awesome, Abhishek. You were able to maintain the position in this entire quiz. That's really nice. And Paulina was the fastest this time. But still, I would say that this doesn't matter. This rank doesn't matter. What matters is the knowledge that we have, our understanding. That matters more, right? And for that as well, I think recently, I made a short and I have come on the channel again that I was emphasizing on this is please practice questions from different books as well so you get a better understanding. No, it's not ending, Dhruvi. Sorry, it's not ending. That's good, Agesh. That's what I was saying. 5 on 5, I understood that. All right, so just a reminder that link for this is given in the description. Do go check that out. 3 sessions for just $399. Whatever timing you want to choose and whatever 3 subjects you want to take the class for. All right, and for Telegram channel as well, link is there in the description. Please do check that out. You were saying that you were facing some difficulty. You can check that just after this session now. And don't worry, we always say that we have got you covered. And you can see our commitment through the type of sessions that we are coming up here. Yes, that's the spirit, Drishti. All right, and let me give you a glimpse of the upcoming session. The next unit test is for class 6. It's on the topic food, where does it come from and components of food. That is on Tuesday, that is tomorrow at 4 p.m. All right. So be ready. Like I always say, whatever quiz we have for whatever subject it is, please do revise it first, right? From your textbooks, or if you have any doubts, you can go through the sessions that we have already done. And please like, share and subscribe if you feel that these sessions are actually fruitful. You are actually getting benefit from them. You can share it in your school groups also with your friends. How many of you actually shared with your friends, like whatever sessions because some of you are regularly coming for the classes, right? So definitely you are enjoying it. You are finding them fruitful. Yeah? How many of you have actually shared with your friends actually? Yes, Aisha. Oh, wow, Diya. Aryan has done that, yeah. Diya, great. Astha, that's nice. Yes, Rishti, please do that. See, because these classes are absolutely free of cost, right? So let others also take the advantage of it. And if you're liking these sessions, quickly hit the like button. Yes, quickly do that. And do not forget to subscribe the channel because I do not want you to miss any new updates from us. All right. So I'll see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.